Hello students, once again we have come for our online classes. These days because of your exercise books were not with you all, so I did not give you all answers. Uh, from history chapter 3, that is Sultanate, Delhi Sultanate. Short questions I have given you all. A, B, C I have given you all. Now D, today D 1 and 2 I will show you, and after this E, F, G no need. Only D, there are two questions in D, so those two questions I will show you. Take out page number 29. Let's recall. There you see the question number 1. Why did Alauddin Khilji call himself the second Alexander? Mention any 3 things that he did as an administrator. So Alauddin Khilji proclaimed himself as second Alexander. Page number 23. Page number 23, Alauddin Khilji. The heading is Alauddin Khilji. There you see, he wanted to conquer the world. Have you got this? So you'll write, instead of he, you'll write Alauddin Khilji wanted to conquer the world. And that is why he called himself the second Alexander. You'll write in this way. Instead of he, you'll write Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji wanted to conquer the whole world. And that is why he called himself second Alexander. So this is why did Alauddin Khilji call himself the second Alexander? That is the first part of question number D1. And the second part of the question is, mention any 3 things that he did as an administrator. Page number 23, there only you will get. There are the points. So you can take tackling the Mongol minions by strengthening forts and frontier provinces under able general. So this point you will write. Then next point, measures to prevent rebellion and restricting the intermixing of nobles. Then revenue based on measurement of land and appointing special revenue officials to collect taxes. So from there any 3 points you can write. So when you write the point, you will write, suppose point number 3, he took measures to prevent rebellions and restricting the intermixing of nobles. So he took, you will start it like this. Then last point you see, he started a system of market control. He started, instead of starting a system, you'll write, he started a system of market control under which the price of various commodities was fixed. Separate markets were established under market superintendents or sahanas. Then second point you see, he tackled, instead of tackling, you'll write he tackled the Mongol minions by strengthening the forts and frontier provinces under able generals. So these 3 points you'll write. Second point, you'll write he tackled the Mongol minions. Next point, he took the measures to prevent rebellions. Then the last one, he started a system of market control under which till superintends. So this is answer number 1. D1. Now D2, write about any 3 controversial projects undertaken by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So controversial projects of Muhammad bin Tughlaq is given in page number 24. Heading Muhammad bin Tughlaq's controversial projects. Point number 1, transfer of capital from Delhi to Davagri. In 1327, he transferred the capital from Delhi to Davagri. You will write in this way. He means Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred the capital from Delhi to Davagri in 1327 and renamed it Daulatabad. But within 5 months, however, or you can write but, within 5 months the capital was shifted back to Delhi, causing hardships once again. So this way you can make the point short. Then second point you can take introduction of token currency. The Sultan introduced token currency to overcome the shortage of silver. All the coins had to be withdrawn. The Sultan offered to exchange all token coins with silver ones. This caused tremendous loss to the royal treasury. Alright, so you will begin the point. Sultan introduced the token currency to overcome the shortage of silver. Then next point, increased tax in Ganga Yamuna Doab during famine. He increased taxes in Ganga Yamuna Doab during famine. Although the measure was withdrawn. So these 3 points. Okay. So number E, F, G no need. Up to D, D1 and 2 enough. And all these short questions, whatever already I had given you all, that's enough. So with this we have come to the conclusion of this lesson. Now, one more lesson is there to complete before our first unit test. In the first unit test, from history, chapter 1, where, when and how, chapter 2, new kings and kingdoms, and chapter 3, the sultans of Delhi are needed. Then from social and political world, chapter 1, democracy, and chapter 2, institutional representation of democracy are needed. These two chapters are needed. And from the earth are habited. From here, first chapter, environment, we have done it. And one more chapter is needed, that is chapter 2, inside our earth. So now, since we have not yet started this lesson and time is short, you have to study also. So I am going to give you a few answers, short questions as well as few answers. Those answers you will study, okay, for your first unit test. Now take out page number 130. Inside our earth. You will go through the lesson, but a few questions I'll give. Short questions you see. Let's warm up. There you see number A. Tick the correct options. Number 1. The rock formed due to cooling and solidification of magma in lava is, there are different rocks named, but the correct answer will be igneous rock. Number A is correct. Then number 2, the main mineral constituents of core are nickel and iron. Nickel and iron. Number B is correct. Nickel and iron. Then number 3, according to the plate tectonics theory, the earth crust is fractured into several tectonic plates. Number D is correct. Answer number D, several tectonic plates. Number 4, the innermost part of earth's interior is, correct answer is number A, core. Number A, core is correct answer. Then number B is fill in the blanks. Number 1, the supercontinent that broke up over 200 million years ago to form the present continents was called Pangaea. P-A-N-G-A-E-A. P-A-N-G-A-E-A. Number 2, mantle is also known as mesosphere. M-E-S-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Mesosphere. Then number 3, the word tectonic means build, B-U-I-L-D, build, B-U-I-L-D, build. Then number 4, the inner core is also called metallic. Inner core is also called metallic. M-E-T-A-L-L-I-C. Number 5, it has an average thickness of 8 to 60 km. Answer is lithosphere. And number 4, inner core is also called metallic, or you can write knife, N-I-F-E, knife. And these words, where are these? I'll show you. First is the supercontinent that broke up over 200 million years. That you will get in page number 131. Second row, page number 131, second row. First part, according to this theory, a supercontinent called Pangaea broke up 200 million years ago and the continents drifted to their present locations. So this is the word and you write in correct spelling. Then B2, mantle is also known as mesosphere. That you will get in page number 131, the second line. Page number 131, second line. First row, second line. Beneath the crust there is a layer of very dense rock known as mantle or mesosphere. Then number 3, the word tectonic means, that you will get in page number 131, second last paragraph. Tectonic plates, the heading, there you see the first paragraph last line. The word tectonic means build. Have you got the word? I am showing you the lines and the words so that you can write in correct spelling. Then the inner core is also called, here you will get there are 2 points, outer core and then you will see inner core. Inner core is very dense and solid, composed mostly of nickel and iron, and is called the metallic core or knife. Then number 5, it has an average thickness of 8 to 60 km. That you will get in page number 130, first page of the lesson, second row, structure of the Earth's interior, there the second paragraph, third line. First page of the lesson, second row, structure of Earth's interior, and there the second paragraph, third line. It has an average thickness of 8 to 60 kilometers. So it has means lithosphere. Lithosphere has. Alright. So you will write in correct spelling. Now number C. Classify the following rocks into igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. So number 1 will be metamorphic, 2 sedimentary, 3 igneous, 4 igneous, basal, igneous, 5 metamorphic, marble, and 6 sedimentary, limestone. So these are the short questions. See that you will study, okay? And few from the long question, few I will give you. I may not get time to give you all everything, and you have to study also. So some 1 or 2 answers I will give you, not all. Okay? So next class that will be given to you all. But see that you copy. Many of you have not copied the answers. Okay. All right, students. And those who have not completed the answers, see that you complete your answers. Many of you have not submitted also. So complete your answers, and I'll give you another date to submit. Okay, before your exam, maybe this week only, one more date I'll give you to submit. Those who have not submitted at all, I'll give you a date to submit. and see that you submit. Okay, students.